traders bet against Ripple, XRP. Should we expect a more serious correction? The absence of a positive news background and the rise of bearish sentiments in the broader market are pushing Ripple, XRP, holders towards selling. According to data from the analytical platform CoinGlass, more and more traders are opening short positions on XRP, hoping for a continuation of the asset's price decline. This is evident from the funding rate, which has once again turned negative. The relative strength index supports the possibility of a decline. The RSI is struggling to stay above the neutral level of 50, but so far, attempts have not been successful. XRP is trading at 51 cents, preparing to exit the existing symmetrical triangle pattern that has been in place since early April. A symmetrical triangle is a technical analysis formation characterized by converging trend lines. It indicates a period of consolidation before a potential breakout. Considering the aforementioned conditions, there is a likelihood that Ripple will break below the lower boundary of the pattern and drop to 47 cents. Losing this support could lead to a collapse to the 42 cents mark. On the other hand, confirmation of 51 cents as a support level would allow the altcoin to refute the bearish thesis. In this case, XRP could rise to 65 cents. Veteran of the crypto market, Peter Brandt, has given 8 pieces of advice to novice traders. Experienced analyst Peter Brandt shared crucial advice for those who want to fully immerse themselves in crypto trading. Brandt outlined a set of rules intended for novice crypto traders who aim to transition to trading as their primary source of income. At the outset, Brandt underscored the importance of genuine trading skills. Novice crypto traders should rely on their abilities rather than hope for a single market bet to pay off. He advises traders to ensure they have a significant capital base. Multiply your necessary living expenses by 5, Brandt advises, commenting on the necessity of financial stability through real profits rather than loans or savings. Additionally, Peter Brandt emphasized the importance of having sufficient savings outside of the trading account to cover living expenses for 2 years. This is crucial, considering the possibility of losing money in the first year. Novice traders risk too much capital. Risking more than 2% per trade is a guarantee of failure. The only solution, in my opinion, is a commitment to the marathon, not the sprint, he added. Brandt also recommends paper trading for at least a year to refine trading strategy, focusing on the smallest details that often determine success or failure. It's also important to understand the low success rate among crypto traders. According to Brandt, only 3 to 5% of those attempting to turn trading into a full-time job succeed. He challenges traders, saying, "Prove me wrong, and then let me know where I was wrong in 2 years." Brandt also discussed common misconceptions in trading, particularly the need for a large starting capital. He asserts that success is not tied to the size of the deposit. There is a huge misconception that a novice trader needs a large account to succeed. Most market wizards will tell you that if you can't be profitable with a small capital, you won't be profitable with a large one. In fact, with a smaller account, mistakes become evident sooner. Successful trading occurs when a person climbs the steep learning curve, making mistakes, Brandt concluded. Brandt's insights provide a solid foundation for crypto traders aiming for significant changes in their professional lives, emphasizing that successful trading is about learning from one's mistakes rather than just a strong start. Vodafone plans to integrate blockchain technology into smartphones. Telecommunications company Vodafone is planning to integrate blockchain technology into smartphones using cryptocurrency wallets with SIM cards. This initiative will be implemented by Vodafone Idea Limited, a company registered in India, of which Vodafone Group owns 45% of the shares. By 2030, we expect there will be over 20 billion mobile phones in operation, many of which will be smartphones. That's why we're focusing on linking SIM cards to digital identification, blockchain, and cryptography, explained David Palmer, head of blockchain projects at Vodafone. The company has previously attempted to merge cellular phone technology with blockchain. In 2019, American startup Vaultel announced plans to create a wallet that could be inserted into a smartphone SIM card slot. Justin Sun transfers ETH worth $376 million to Swell L2. Tron founder Justin Sun has been involved in a significant transaction involving a large amount of Ether, ETH, totaling over $300 million. According to Chinese cryptocurrency journalist Colin Wu, an address associated with the cryptocurrency entrepreneur transferred 120,000 ETH worth $376 million to Swell L2. ETH, or Ether.fi staked ETH, is a non-custodial liquid token for Ethereum deposited in the EtherFi restaking protocol. The address 0x7A9-3095, presumed to be linked to Justin Sun, transferred 120,000 ETH into the Swell L2 blockchain ecosystem. It's noteworthy that the transferred ETH accounts for 46.6% of the total deposits on Swell L2. In March 2024, the same address moved 120,000 ETH to EtherFi. In February, during a drop in Ethereum's price to $2,800, Ethers began to be withdrawn from Binance to this wallet. The current price of the top altcoin is $3,150, indicating a slight decrease of 0.46% over the last 24 hours. However, ETH has experienced a notable decline of 6.51% and 5.9% over the last week and month, respectively. BTC and ETH ETFs launched in Hong Kong show low volumes. Recently launched Bitcoin ETFs in Hong Kong demonstrated relatively low trading volumes over the first 4 days. Against the backdrop of BTC price declines, exchange-traded funds failed to attract investors and traders. In line with its vision of creating a crypto hub, Hong Kong launched ETFs for Bitcoins and Ethers on April 30 following approval from the Securities and Futures Commission, SFC. In total, asset managers China Asset Management, Harvest Global, Bossera, and Hashkey launched 6 BTC and ETH ETFs. In a previous interview, China AMC's CEO Zhu Haokong stated that the effect of Hong Kong's ETF listing would surpass the scale of US ETFs on the first day of trading. Contrary to Haokong's words, the total trading volume of ETFs on the first day amounted to 87.58 million Hong Kong dollars, equivalent to $12 million. Recall that a similar metric for spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US reached $4.6 billion. Interestingly, ETF analyst at Bloomberg Eric Balchunas believes that considering the size of the Hong Kong crypto market compared to the US market, this volume does not necessarily signify failure. In the following days, trading volumes significantly decreased. On Friday, it amounted to $5.5 million. It is believed that the prevailing bearish market and the decline in BTC price, which has lost almost a tenth of its value in the last month, remain serious obstacles to the success of Hong Kong ETFs. On the evening of May 5, Bitcoin was trading around $64,000 with a slight increase of 0.4% over the last 24 hours. At the beginning of May, the price of the leading cryptocurrency reached $56,000.